Okay, here's a tutorial in Vegas Pro version 15 on how to set the length of a clip on the timeline. So for example, this clip is 6 seconds long. This one in the right corner, 6 seconds. Okay, that one's also 6 seconds. I already set it, but let's set it to 4 seconds. How to do that? So simply double click a clip on the timeline. These two yellow markers appear at the beginning and at the end. Okay, now go here to the last number, not the middle one, not the first one. Double click that number, and even now we have three numbers, 6, 0 and 0. That means 6 seconds. For example, if I want to make it 4 seconds long, I would type in 400, that is 400, and press enter. Okay, now it's not modifying the clip's length directly, but simply drag the end and move it there to the line. Now do the same thing with the rest. Let's see that one, double click on the number also, 400, press enter and set it there. Double click that, double click this, 400, enter and drag it there. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, bye bye.